Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I am using Beetles Polygel, alcohol, and my gel brush. And I start off by applying a very thin layer of this Madam Glam base coat to each nail. And then I'm going to cure these nails for 30 seconds. And if you haven't already guessed it, I'm going to be doing a set of polygel nails today, and I'm super excited. I haven't done polygel in a while, so I decided to go ahead and do some polygel nails today. And since it is December, I am doing a winter theme, and I absolutely love how these nails turned out. They're so cute and different, or not typical winter or Christmas colors, but that's okay. The set turned out so cute. And after that base coat has cured, I begin by applying the polygel where the tip and the natural nail meet. And then I just use my gel brush with a little alcohol and I pat that product in place. I'm trying to make sure that the product is evenly spread out across the nail before I go ahead and smooth that product down to try to get it as smooth as possible so I don't have to spend all day filing. I hate to file. So I try to make it as easy as possible. Once that product is as smooth as possible, I go ahead and cure that nail for 60 seconds. Before I apply another bead of the polygel directly above the last, and this time I use the tip of the gel brush to push that product back towards the cuticle area, and I make sure that I leave a little product kind of close where the apex is, where the tip and the natural nail meet, because I do want this nail to have a good structure. And then I just smooth that product on down and clean up my cuticle area. And once that has cured for 60 seconds, I'll go ahead and repeat these same steps on all the nails. And I'm not doing anything special when it comes to the application today. I just have this Beetles Clear Polygel, and I'm actually interested in purchasing some more polygel. So go ahead and leave a comment down below on the best polygel brand that I should try, and I will definitely look into that. And I am using Melody Susie long coffin nail tips in today's video, and I did just go ahead and cut these tips down to my desired length and shape them up to my desired shape. And I just wanted to note that these are C-curve tips, and I just think, in my opinion, C-curve tips tend to look a little wider than regular nail tips, so that's just something to keep in mind. I do like the C-curve tips. I think they look really elegant on my fingers, so I definitely will continue to use them, and I definitely think that you should try them. Again, these are the Melody Susie nail tips, and I will leave a link in my description as well as a link to all the products used in today's video. And I will say that this Beetles Clear Polygel is very easy to work with. It stays firm and hard, which gives you a lot of time to maneuver the product and to get it to where it needs to be, which I think is great. I know some polygels can be a little runny, but I don't have that problem with this Beetles Polygel. It has been so easy to use, and I definitely think that it's good for beginners. And once the application is all done, I go ahead and spray these nails down with alcohol and just wipe them off to remove that tacky layer. And then I went ahead and filed and shaped these nails off camera. Next, I am using the Madam Glam base coat just to apply a very thin layer of the base coat to each nail, because I am going to be applying the Madam Glam gel polish to these nails, and it always looks so much better with a nice thin layer of base coat. It helps keep that color polish nice and smooth, so I highly suggest to always apply base coat before your gel polish. Then I cure these nails for 30 seconds. Next, I am using Madam Glam in the color Pivot, and I absolutely love this color. I think it's the perfect pink nude color. It matches my skin tone so well, and it is just the perfect base color for this set. So I'll go ahead and apply a thin layer to my first finger as well as my pinky finger. And I'm using this gorgeous blue color, Magical Times. And again, this is a Madam Glam gel polish. And I love this color so much. The polish goes on so rich and creamy. And I honestly could do just one coat. But I am going to do 2 coats because I think it looks a little better. I don't want it to be streaky. But again, I love this color, Magical Times. I apply it to my ring finger and my thumb. So for my middle finger, I am using Fairy Dust, and this color is so pretty. I think it's the perfect color to tie these this set together. It is a milky white color, and it has different glitters inside, and it's just really so gorgeous. And it is picking up the blue as well as the nude, and it just really looks nice. Next, I use my white gel liner brush, and I do believe this is the Beetles gel liner brush. And I'm just creating some diagonal lines on my first finger. I am going to be doing a kind of a sweater nail, if that's what you want to call it. It's not fully a sweater nail, but I will have a little bit of that on this nail, as well as my ring finger. So yeah, I just create these white diagonal lines using this gel liner brush. And then I am using that same color again, Magical Times, and my 9mm nail art brush to create these lines across the nail. And next, on my ring finger, I am using the color Pivot to create these lines kind of towards the center of the nail. I am creating a sweater nail on this nail, and I'm gonna apologize in advance. My phone actually died, so I did not get to record the part where I put a thin layer of matte top coat on top of the nails, and then I went over the design again and used my Mia Secret Clear acrylic on top to really give that sweater nail effect, and it turned out so gorgeous. I'm so excited for you all to see the results, but again, I do have to apologize because I did not get to record everything. And these are how the nails turned out. I love them. They are so pretty. These are not your average winter colors, but I think they're so perfect for this design. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next nail video.